Hello guys, what I'm going to show you today is how you can create a video from an image or from multiple images in Canva. Now, it's important to notice that you cannot do this from a free plan because you need actually 40 credits for each image that you want to put into a video. But yeah, now the first thing that we need is to actually create a design. So let's go to Canva here, and now you want to go to this menu, you want to click on create design, and you want to select your aspect ratio. In my case, it's going to be, I don't know, Instagram post, for example. And now let's play with the image that I want to add in here. So I'm just going to go to elements, and I'm going to look for grass because I want to kind of create the video of grass. I'm going to go to see all. Let's choose actually a free image like this one, for example. And now let's readjust the size in here until we are happy with it, kind of like so. All right. Now, the most important thing is that we have to go to apps, which is this menu here. And now just have to look for animate. That's the keyword, and click on enter. And now you're going to have a bunch of different apps that you can use. But the one that I like to use is this one here, the image animate. I think it's the best one probably. Okay. And after this opens here, you can just select this image, and this is going to be set as a video frame. Okay. Now you can just, I think you should just write like a description in order to animate your video. So for example, let's say grass moving near the wind or with the wind in a calm and chill way. Okay, and you can be as precise or you can write as much as you want basically, or you can ask the AI to actually inspire you. But yeah, for example, this one is better. And you can select here the motion tab if you want it to actually be AI generated, or if you want to have like a parallax effect, which is the effect where the camera is going to seem to get closer and further away, kind of like a 3D effect. But yeah, and you can also select the AI model that you want to use. I actually recommend setting it to auto, and that's going to be the best possible result mostly. Okay, and yeah, when you're ready, just go to generate, but keep in mind that you need bit merged credits in case that you're using this model here. So yeah, guys, thank you so much.